Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hey, Emily. It is so good to be here today, especially because we are talking about something very close to my heart.
Oh, really? What is that?
Today, we are talking about how to talk about your favorite football team.
Oh, I love that topic. Everyone has a team they love, and it is a wonderful conversation starter for English learners.
Yeah, totally. When you travel or meet new people, sports can help you make friends very quickly.
Exactly. But you know, it can be a little tricky for beginners to express their support in English.
Oh, yeah, it can be. There are specific words and phrases we use when we talk about being a fan.
Right. And if you do not know them, you might not be able to share your passion. Honestly, I love hearing people talk about their teams, even if they make mistakes.
See? No one minds a few mistakes. So today, we will make it super simple.
Perfect. Let's start from the very beginning, like how to ask someone about their favorite team.
Good idea. If you want to know who someone supports, what is the most common question to ask, Emily?
You can simply ask, who is your favorite football team? Or, an even more natural way is, what team do you support?
What team do you support? I love that phrase. Support, listeners, means to cheer for a team, follow their games, and want them to win.
Exactly. So Brian, what team do you support? Who is your absolute favorite?
Well, if we are talking about international football, I support Brazil. They are my absolute favorite team.
Ah, Brazil, the selección. They are famous all over the world. How do you say that you are a fan of a team politely, Brian?
You can smile and say, I am a big fan of Brazil. Or you can say, I have supported them since I was a child.
I am a big fan of. That is an excellent phrase. Let's repeat that for our beginners. I am a big fan of Brazil.
Great. Then someone might ask you, why do you like them? How do we answer that, Emily? What are the reasons someone loves a team?
Well, you can talk about their history or their style of play. For example, you can say, I love Brazil because they play beautiful, attacking football.
Attacking football. That is a very useful sports phrase. It means the team loves to go forward, score goals, and play with high energy.
Exactly. What about you, Emily? What team do you support when the World Cup starts?
I usually support Argentina. I love the passion of their fans, and they have a history of incredible players.
Oh, wow, Argentina. That means we are rivals, Brian. Rivals, listeners, means two teams that are big opponents and love to play against each other.
Haha, yes. Brazil and Argentina are classic rivals. It makes the tournament much more exciting. Hey, Emily, before we talk about our favorite players, I think we should talk to our listeners.
Oh, you are so right. Time flies when we are talking about our passions. It really does.
If you are enjoying this episode, please click that like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to the Mr. English podcast so you never miss a lesson with us. Sharing this video with a friend who is learning English helps a lot too.
And we have a question for you today. Who is your favorite football team and why?
Oh, I want to see the answers. Let us know in the comments below.
Awesome. Now let's get straight back to our football talk. Now that we know each other's teams, let's talk about the specific things we like about them. Brian, who is your favorite player on the Brazil team?
Oh, that is easy. My favorite player of all time is Pelé. He was a true legend. But on the modern team, I really admire Vinicius Jr.
I really admire. That is a wonderful phrase to use when you respect a player. It means you think they are excellent at what they do.
Yes. What about your favorite team, Emily? Who do you admire on the Argentina squad?
Well, of course, I have to say Lionel Messi. He is a genius on the pitch. Watching him control the ball is like magic.
He really is incredible. What should a student say if they want to explain why a specific player is their favorite? What words can they use?
Don't panic. You can use simple adjectives. You can say, he is very fast, or she is an amazing goal scorer, or he is a great defender.
Goal scorer and defender. Those are excellent position words for beginners. A goal scorer puts the ball in the net, and a defender protects their own side.
Exactly. You can also talk about the team's appearance. You can say, I love their team colors. For example, Brazil wears yellow and green, and Argentina wears light blue and white stripes.
Yes, light blue and white stripes. A stripe, listeners, is a long straight line of color. Wearing your team's jersey makes you feel like part of the family.
It really does. You know, practicing these phrases before a big match is a great idea.
It really is. And you know who can help you practice talking about sports anytime? Mr. English AI.
Oh yes, our smart assistant is amazing for this. You can chat with Mr. English AI anytime to practice describing your favorite team or talking about legendary matches. It helps you try different conversations so you can feel confident talking to real football fans.
The link is right in the video description, so check it out after the episode. Definitely, it's like having a teacher in your pocket.
Exactly. Now, let's imagine our two favorite teams are playing against each other in the World Cup final. The stadium is packed and the tension is high.
Oh, it sounds intense. What do you say to support your team during the match, Emily?
You can chant, Vamos Argentina! Or in English, you can say, Let's go Argentina, you can do it!
And I would shout, Come on, Brazil, play hard.
Just make sure to stay friendly, even if your team loses. Yes, being a good sport is very important in football culture. We call that sportsmanship.
Sportsmanship. That means respecting the other team and their fans, no matter who wins or loses.
Exactly. If my team wins, I can say, we played a great match. And if your team wins, Brian, I can politely say, congratulations on the victory.
Congratulations on the victory. That is very polite and friendly. Football brings people together. It does not divide them.
It really does. Well, I think that brings us to the end of our lesson today.
Yes, it does. Before we leave, let's do a super quick review of the most important phrases we learned today.
Okay, listen and repeat. What team do you support? I am a big fan of attacking football, rival teams, I really admire, amazing goal scorer, great defender, jersey stripes, let's go team, good sportsmanship, congratulations on the victory.
Perfect. If our listeners practice just those phrases, they will be totally fine talking about sports in English.
Absolutely. They are the golden phrases for football fans.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mr. English podcast.
And leave your comment about your favorite team below. Thank you so much for listening to us today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. And we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, guys.